That is, go to profit center accounting. Profit centers are also one of the concept in controlling. It is used as a department. It is used as a factories, stores, factories. You can use them for as profit centers. It is also for reporting purpose only. Okay, just like business area, segment, we use profit center accounting, but it is having much significance when compared with business area. Profit centers are having much significance, and nowadays profit centers are mandatory. Without profit centers, we cannot able to manage our system. So it's a mandatory. So if I want to use profit centers, I need to activate it first. How to activate? So let me go to this step, basic settings, controlling area settings. So maintain controlling area settings. Click on execute. Standard hierarchy BR40 underscore PCH. Earlier we have created cost center hierarchy. Now we are creating profit center hierarchy. So PCH. Profit center local currency type. So here take 20 profit center currency confirm. Enter. Okay, that's it. This is the profit center local currency type, and this is the currency. So 20 is enough. So that means in our company code, we are using INR. For our controlling area also, we are using INR. For our profit center accounting also, we are using INR. If you want to change, you can change, but not required. Even in real time, will not change. Why will change different currency? Not required. Okay. Save. Okay. So these are the configurations. So how to do it for controlling. So team, you're asking why only 20. 20 is the standard number that is belongs to controlling area currency. If you want to use group currency also you can use, but group currency will not use generally. Take only 20. Okay. Save. Go back. These are the basic configurations we have to do under controlling. Now we can start using cost element accounting, cost center accounting, internal orders, profit center accounting. In controlling, there are so much of sub modules. Out of this, all the basic modules we can complete it. So we'll discuss about this cost centers, cost elements going forward. Now we are eligible to do we are eligible to use the system. Okay.